Advantages of a vegan lifestyle. Health benefits. A well-planned vegan diet can provide numerous health benefits. It tends to be high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while being low in saturated fats and cholesterol. Research suggests that vegans have lower risks of heart disease, certain types of cancer, and obesity. Environmental impact. Animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By adopting a vegan lifestyle, individuals can significantly reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to the preservation of natural resources. Animal welfare. Many people choose a vegan lifestyle out of concern for animal welfare. Avoiding animal products helps reduce the demand for factory farming, where animals are often subjected to crowded and inhumane conditions. Variety and creativity in cooking. Adopting a vegan lifestyle can encourage individuals to explore a wider range of plant-based foods, leading to increased culinary creativity. With numerous delicious vegan recipes available, people can enjoy a diverse and satisfying diet. Ethical and philosophical reasons. Veganism aligns with the belief that all sentient beings have the right to live without suffering. By abstaining from the use of animal products, vegans aim to promote a more compassionate and equitable world.